GAUCELM Faidit of two loyal friends. Tell me, by your wisdom, what the case is. When to one of them good comes from his lady, and to the other damage and harm and ills, so that neither has the power to turn away, which one should strive harder to serve? His lady for this, in the law of love judged. And then the one you wish, argue for. Lord Emerick, it's not at all a common plea that he to whom love comes in all things, as damage and harm, should be as courteous toward his lady in loyal service as he whose all desires are fulfilled. It is not reason, nor should anyone say it, that an unfortunate man should strive as hard as a pure lover who is loyally loved. GAUCELM Faidit. GAUCELM Faidit, a venal understander, should take it as you have taken it. For such a friend doesn't serve his lady at all if he knows well that the service is safe. It is no effort, nor does it make one so much to thank, who from one good knows how to bring out another good. But he who from harm can bring out good, know this, with noble serving must be doubly thanked. Lord Emerick, you argue well what is false, and the argument is nothing but foolishness. How do you dare say that the lover for whom mercy avails should not be more supreme in serving than the unloved one who should kill himself? Foolish is the lady if she lets you enjoy her, if with the good deeds you are worth and strive, and if she does you good, you're worth nothing, 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 nothing. You're worth nothing. You think that I've learned it from you, and so shouldn't the poor man strive immediately until he's equal to the rich. Yet more does the sick man want to heal than another healthy one to flee the sick. And he who is little advanced should strive more than he who is more prized. Lord Emerick, the affair is too unequal that you say the lover in whom worth is placed should not better guard what he has conquered with prowess and with natural deeds than he who has nothing but the worry. He has no thanks, rather he gets mocked, and his service is loss and folly, since nothing that he does pleases his lady. GAUCELM, the counterfeit who makes himself thank, will know well how to judge and decide for us. For otherwise through you, if you don't force me, I cannot be by right overpowered. Lord Emerick, you will know well how to choose the best, the worthy count, and speak the true judgment. For he knows the law of love best, who is often joyful and sorrowful.